Hi everyone, good morning. Our Bible verse for today is all about Mark 1:35. Way early in the morning, while it was still dark, Jesus got up, left the house, and went off to a solitary place where he prayed. Nang madaling araw, habang madilim pa, papangon si Jesus ay lumabas siya at nagtungo sa ilang lugar at doon ay nanalangin. So, we have to build the closest relationship with God. Magkaroon ng malalim na relasyon with God that align with the time with God. This, it's between you and God. At napaka-importante that yung time natin naka-align sa gusto ni God. Pursuing deep relationship with God. So, si Jesus Christ, He went solitary place when He prayed. So, let us create a alone time with God. Jesus is the most intimate with God. So, kung wala nakakakilala sa Diyos ng higit pa kundi or kay Jesus Christ, walang nakakilala sa Ama ng higit pa kundi si Jesus Christ. The connection between God the Father and God the Son. So, He can do nothing Himself kung hindi kaloob ng Ama. Walang ginawa ang Jesus na hindi nagustuhan ng Ama. Si Jesus walang gagawin na apart from the Father. Lahat ay gagawin ni Jesus kung anong ginagawa ng Ama. You have to have a deep mind like Jesus. Kung yung attitude like Jesus, pareho ng pananaw, pareho ng attitude, pareho ng discipline, pareho ng kalooban katulad ng Ama. When we read the Bible, we have that intimate relationship with God. We have to create a solitude alone with God. And walang distractions. It's the most, sabihin natin, being silent. Tayo, kasi napakaraming distractions sa paligid natin eh. Marami tayong naririnig na mga bagay na hindi na natin naririnig. To the point, yung voice ni God para sa atin, kung ano yung will niya na gawin natin para sa ikabubuti natin at